Today I'm going to tell you how to make the sweet Kuzhi Paniyaram recipe. Let us start by making the jaggery syrup. We take a cup of jaggery and dilute it with equal cup of water and start nicely mixing it in a low flame so that it mixes well and your jaggery syrup is now ready. It is now time to make the paniyarams. We take 2 cups of atta or wheat flour, a pinch of salt, some baking soda, cardamom and elaichi powder, and now we mix the jaggery syrup with the atta. You will see that the jaggery syrup is nice and dilute. To this we also add some coconut, grated coconut, and mix this thoroughly as you see in the video. Now the batter is ready. We must ensure that the consistency is as shown in the video, and we take this on the Kuzhi Paniyaram stand. We nicely grease it with some ghee and put it on the stove, and slowly with a ladle we will add the batter to the stand and now allow it to roast well. We will need to keep turning the paniyarams so that they cook well on both sides. You can see the goldish color that it turns into, and this will also ensure it doesn't get burnt. Now once we have cooked both sides, the paniyarams are ready to be had.